welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the first Halloween look for the month. I'm so excited to be starting these Halloween looks. They've taken up a lot of time and preparation because I really wanted to give some high quality content this Halloween. So let's get right into this beautiful Showgirl makeup tutorial. This is really nice if you're not really sure what to be and you kind of still want to look glam and pretty. I thought that this would be like a little fun idea. So let's get right into it. But if you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So first I'm going to start by using my MERCIER primer. Then I went ahead and grabbed my BLACKUP concealer and used that on my eyelids as a base. Next, I went ahead and set the concealer with the Infallible translucent powder. Next, I'm going to be using my Blush Mood palette and I'm going to take this tone and I'm going to mix it with this brown just to kind of create my crease. Next, I'm going to take some more of this pink and just begin to put it across the brow bone just to kind of make some more definition. Next, I'm going to take this black and begin to draw my cut crease. So while I'm making the placement for the cut crease, I'm not going to be super precise because I'm going to take my LA Colors Chrome Liquid Eyeliner in silver and use that to really make the defined shape. The goal is to make sure that each eye is symmetrical, so you want to take your time during this process. So as you can see, I've just taken some black to kind of create some more definition. Of course, after that, you're going to blend it in so it's seamless. You also might notice that I didn't fill the eyelid completely with the silver. This is because I'm going to be using my holographic glitter to fill it in. I didn't want to take the chance and mix the liquid with the glitter. Sometimes it can cause it to do a lot of weird things, so that's why we didn't do the full lid. So next I just went and grabbed my holographic glitter and I'm only using the applicator for the edges of the cut crease, and then I'm going to be taking a nice flat brush and spreading the glue. This is just to make sure that the glue does not chunk up in certain areas and that there's a thin layer applied. So I just started to do the outer corners first, and then once that was done, I went ahead and put glue on the rest of the lid and then continued to place the rest of the glitter to complete the eye look. I'm going to take this NYX super skinny marker and just begin to do another wing down here to kind of make the look a little bit more complete. As you can see, this look is very messy, so there is glitter everywhere, but don't worry, we're gonna clean that up. So now that that's done, it's a very dramatic look, but I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows, and now I'm going to be using these INV 110, my favorite lashes, to top off the look. And then I'm going to just put on my foundation and come back so we can do the rest of the look. So now I'm just taking my MUD color correcting palette and beginning to color correct. Today for foundation, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix on top. And then to top it off, some nice BLACKUP No Transfer concealer. Next, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance Medium Contour Palette. And I'm also going to be using my Morphe Grand Glam Palette to put the finishing touches onto the look. Now to complete the look, I'm actually going to be using this pink from my Carity palette. I'm going to be using the pigment to create this beautiful fuchsia bold lip. I think this is really going to just top off the look and set off everything. And now I'm just setting my makeup with my rose water, and I have to say I really love how this look came out. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this showgirl inspired Halloween makeup look. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye!